Today we will be going from this to this. So my teeth are whiter, I have no more freckles, my overall lighting is brighter, and I replaced the background with a new background. And that way I got rid of this ugly shadow. So let's get started. I'll close this out. Here's my original file that we'll be editing. That's this file right here, my downloads folder. So I have some links here. These are all free tools that we'll use to enhance our photo. I'm not affiliated with them, but they're pretty cool, so let's use them. The first link is right here. All links are in the description. I'll pull this out into a bigger window, X this guy out. So it wants me to drag my own image into it, no problem. You can also browse for one here, but I'm going to drag mine in like so. Great. The first thing I'll do is to make everything brighter. So I'll go to effects here. I'll choose classic. You can choose something else if you like. You can experiment with all these filters, but I'll just choose toy. Then I will apply that. So now I'm looking a bit brighter, but I still have some blemishes and some less than white teeth. So I'll go to beauty. Then I'll go to blemish fix. Then I'll use this tool to click away my blemishes, right? So I'll click some there. I'll even hold down my mouse if you don't want to click a whole bunch. Or you can spam clicks, that works too. So, yeah, now I remove those blemishes. Let's apply that. Now I'm going to whiten my teeth because they're a bit yellow. So scroll down, click teeth whitening. I'm going to click and hold my mouse over my teeth. I'll let go. Wow, my teeth are already whiter. That's great. Let's apply that. By the way, these other tools with the yellow diamond, those are premium features. I just use the free features without the diamond, okay? So now let's download this because I'm done with this website. I'm going to use a different one to replace my background. So let's download what we have so far. I'll name it enhanced. I'll choose PNG because that's better quality. Download. Great, so that's this file right here, right? That's my enhanced photo so far. Here's my original photo, right? Let's keep on going. Let's replace our background. Now first I'm going to use this website to browse for an alternative background. So let's search for minimal background. I chose this one before, so let's click that. Let's download this. And here's that picture. I'll rename it to wallpapers for simplicity's sake. And now for our last link, we're going to actually change our background, okay? Ignore that, that's because I already used this, but you'll probably see this. Now it's time for me to either browse for an image or just drop a file. I'm going to drop my enhanced file right there. It'll work its magic, and bam, it's gone, okay? My background is gone, but now let's choose a new one. So let's click edit. Great, now let's click upload background. I'll navigate to my downloads folder because that's where all my files are. I'll choose the wallpaper that we just found a moment ago. Double click that. Bam! And so let's download the final product. Let's click download here, download again, and there, ladies and gents, it's my final product. Let's compare that to the original. All right, so if you found this useful, please leave a like, comment if you want to. That'd be pretty awesome. And goodbye.